Hey neighbor, it's Carla here in the hills of Yorba Linda today. We've got a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,100 square foot home. It's gorgeous inside. There's an entertainer's kitchen, large master suite, balcony, pool, barbecue outside with an island. Let's go check it out. Come on. We're inside this beautiful home and I'm right in front of the kitchen. I can picture kids and moms baking and having a wonderful time here. I think you're gonna love it. You're gonna see how stunning this property really is. It's light, it's bright, it's airy. It's where you and your growing family are going to enjoy your lives. This is a stunning property here in the hills of Yorba Linda. So we're in the backyard of this beautiful home in Yorba Linda where they've got a built-in barbecue island for entertainment. There's even a fire pit for the kids to enjoy, a swimming pool, and the balcony has views for days. Let's go check it out. We are enjoying the weather, the views, the lifestyle, the school district. It's absolutely fabulous. If you're looking for a home, you need an agent. I'd love to earn your business. Contact me, Carla, with First Team Real Estate. Happy day, neighbor. Welcome home.